Let's be real. The cost of living has exploded. Groceries, rent, insurance, everything is up. But wages sure aren't, and neither are the government pensions. So I asked myself, how are people actually keeping up? How are they making ends meet? And the answer kept popping up in front of me, and it was online business. I used to roll my eyes at it, thinking it was only for the influencers or the tech experts. But then I met people my age, women over 50, earning from home using simple systems. If you don't know me, I'm Laurie B from Saskatchewan, Canada. I was one of those women barely scraping by until I decided to learn how these systems actually worked. It turns out that you don't need a fancy degree or a tech background, just willingness to learn and a few focused hours a day. It's not magic. And honestly, learning how simple these online systems really were gave me hope again. But what happened next is what truly shifted everything for me. Come back for day 4. I'm going to share the mindset shift that made me finally believe I wasn't too old, too late, or too far behind. And trust me, day 5 is where I reveal the piece that tied everything together.